relive the days of old with the beautiful W800, a nostalgic link to the past with modern-day technology. The new W800 is showing real Kawasaki heritage, paying tribute to the classic W1, which was introduced in 1966. Retro bikes don't get any better than this. The level of finishing and the craftsmanship exposed in the design of the W800 are remarkable. Love is poured into every little detail that constitutes the New World equivalent of pure riding pleasure and freedom that man experienced in days long gone. The new bevel-driven parallel twin creates a motorcycle with strong, smooth torque and power feeling. Contributing towards this new constant level of usable torque is the change for the W800 to fuel injection. The fuel injection system has been designed to be both efficient and stylish. High-quality components have been used all over to make the W800 the best-looking and most genuine retro classic bike available on the market. From the embossed W logo on the fuel tank to the seat lining and exhaust curves, every detail has been under scrutiny of designers and engineers, all wanting to give you the best biking experience possible. Forget about your everyday hassles and get in touch with the real biker within you. Get on the W800.